While FOGO is helping reduce waste at home, schools are also doing their part. At Koorana Primary School and Education Support Centre in Warnbro, the kids are sustainability superstars, learning hands-on ways to sort their waste. A group of Year 6 students are the sustainability leaders and take charge of keeping the school's sustainability programs running smoothly.
I'm looking forward to the FOGO program starting because we can now compost at home instead of putting it in the landfill, and we can use it for better purposes.
I get my tongs, get the scraps out of the bin and put them in the bucket. And then I go to the worm farm and put the scraps into the worms can eat.
The program began as a simple paper recycling station and has grown into a war on waste that now includes waste sorting with the 3-bin system in every eating area, worm farms and a kitchen garden, lights off reminders to conserve energy, composting of fruit and vegetable scraps from the in-class crunch and sip snack breaks, a recycling hub at the library, battery and oral hygiene collections, the Koorana Cart, a food redistribution program for families, and waste-free lunches. The students and staff at Koorana Primary are truly great sorts, reducing, reusing and recycling throughout their school days. So if our kids can do it, then you can too.